Hey guys, it's Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with this week's new release video. All these new releases will go on sale Wednesday at noon Eastern, and let's go ahead and get into these. So we'll go into all the non-kits first, and I'll show you guys the kits in a minute. So first things first is we have two traditional sticker items, and I do have just a couple of each of these left over, and these were extra freebies for the January mystery. So we do have the cake vinyl, and this is like on our like normal vinyl sticker paper, and then we also have some of the washi stack magnets. These look super cute on like Rascal cards, and I think I also have one on the fridge at work, and I just think they're super cute. So these will both have some extras I'm going to be listing this week. I also have a foil bundle this week, which this one is a Misfit foil bundle. So we haven't done one of these, but every once in a while there's like a foil that just doesn't work out right and it ends up being Misfit. And usually what the Misfits are is they look super, I'm going to call them foil dirty. So let me go ahead and show you guys an example. So as you can see, there is like foil dust all over it. But I'm gonna mark these at like a crazy discount, but like I could not just like let this like foil go to waste. I know that a lot of you guys won't care about the foil dust, especially when you're getting it on a discount, but like look at that shift from like a blue to like a blue green. And this is in the twinkle format, which is one of my favorites. Actually, it is my favorite. And you guys can see the foil dust on there. It's like little blue flaky bits. And try and show you guys all of them up close so you guys can see, and I'll link this in the description and put like a little timestamp in case you guys want to double check it out. But I'm gonna put these at a big discount, both whenever they're on sale for the 48 hours and then also afterwards. But I just wanted to put this out. This one I think I'm gonna call Aqua Prism, and it has such a cool like shift to it, but you guys see all of the like foil dust. So I just wanted to put that in there as a disclaimer, but it will say Misfit in the front. But like I said, I couldn't let this one go to waste because it's such a pretty foil, and I just feel like, look at it. Look at it. So that is in the twinkle format, which is like the normal format, the 6 sheets plus the other sheets in there. So that is the Twinkle Misfit Aqua Prism Wiggle. Then I do have some other foil items this week. So I do have the script sampler. Y'all have been asking for this to come to the shop, so I did bring it to the shop in the 4 main foils: silver gold, rose gold, hollow, and then I also brought it to the shop in black and white. I'll show you guys what the white looks like really quick. You can see that is what the white looks like. So on the sheet it just looks kind of like nothing, but obviously it's because it has a white background. And then you also have the black. So both of these are on clear paper, so those will be coming to the shop this week. But you guys can get a little look at what comes on these. Tons of scripts, but those will be available. That was highly requested. And then another thing that I have been really excited to release, I'm like gonna put these on discount as well because I'm not like 100% satisfied with the way that they turned out. Quality wise they're perfect, but I just wish I would have picked like a thicker paper maybe, or not perforated them. But these are monthly dividers, I guess you call them, or monthly tabs, and they are on our regular sticker paper. So you guys can kind of like, if you have any of our clear sticker paper, just take like the top and like fold it in half, then you can kind of decide if you guys want to use these. I did use them in my planner and I really liked the way that they turned out on the side here. But you can see, I hope you can see actually, the perforation, let me see. You can like see where they're perforated. You see how it like that. So I'm probably gonna put these on a super discount too. Just as like that being like the forewarning, is like the perforation's not my favorite, and also they're not like super thick. I don't really foresee it being a problem because they're not gonna rip or anything. But they're not as thick as I wanted them to, but I just figured since I had them, I'll list them, and again, I'll put them at a super discount. So there's gonna be like a sheet 1 that has January through June on them, and then there is a sheet that has July through December, and I have these in all 3 of the main foils, and I'll go ahead and show you guys what these look like when you peel them off. They are sized for like an A5 wide, so you can put 6 all the way down. Let me show you again. So they're like the perfect size. So there's like really no space in between, so lining them up is really easily, but then you can kind of see like what size they are. So they peel up like this, and then they have the perforation in the middle, which makes it easy to see where the middle is. Like that. But then as you can see, you can kind of still see the perforation, which isn't my favorite look. Obviously you could trim it to have the perforation off, but you can see it there perfectly. So you guys kind of see what you're in for, but I will put those on super discount for you guys. But I just think they're super cute, and it makes like kind of like it all match with it being like our like hand lettered kind of font thing on there. But that will be available in all 4 foils, and both sheets will be available on Wednesday. And let's get into the kits this week. So this week we do have 3 kits, so let's go ahead into these. I'll go ahead and show you guys the custom art first, and this one is in the old format. I believe both of these are, they've been done for a while, these 2 here, and then this one is in the new format. So let's go over this one first. So this one is called Mandy, and it is based off of Mandy Dreams. We did one based off of Carolyn last week, and like I said, these have been done for a while, and I just love Mandy. I love her aesthetic. I just think she's the best. I'll leave Mandy linked down below. I just love her. She's so cute, and like this is very Mandy. So I really love the colors in this. This is the extra page here with an extra full boxes and things like that. You have your deco page. These colors are really pretty. I don't think we've done a kit with colors like these, but they're like, you have your very like muted pinks and then the blues. So it's kind of like girly, but just kind of muted with the blues. And then you have the Munchkin Head freebie there. So that is the ultimate kit. Just a really cute anytime kit, very like zen, chill, which is the vibes I think of whenever I think of Mandy. I'll go ahead and show you guys the mini kit. And again, this is the old format. So you have the deco, the full boxes, the functional, the old mini kit page, and the bottom washi with the Munchkin Head freebie. So that is Mandy, and I'll show you guys the extras if you want to add those on. We do have the normals. So we have the 15mm strip. There is also the label sampler, the glitter headers, and then also there are some fashion girls if you want to add those on. So that is the Mandy kit, and again, that is exclusive art. This kit is super cute as well, and this is called Mom Life, and I just thought this art was so pretty. You have like the neighborhood scene, the little kitty car, the mom, and just some planner stuff and like mom life things. Thought this was adorable. It also does for sure come in a little mini kit there. Let's go through this. Again, this is in the old format, so it has the Munchkin Head freebie. So there are the full boxes. I love the stroller and like the Louis bag. You have a stack of books and then the Starbucks drink. And then I also did this so that if you wanted to make this into a double scene, you could do that as well with like the car and then the baby car. So cute. And I love the colors in this, the pink with the nude and the gray, the deco page, functional, half boxes, icons, old little things, and then the bottom washi. So cute, so neutral and fun. And that is the Mom Life kit, and there are some extras for this one, and like I said, it does also come in the mini kit. The mini kit is the older format one. Like I said, this has been done for a while. So there is the kit, there is the 15mm strip if you want to add that on, the label sampler if you want to add that on, glitter headers, and also the fashion girls if you want to add those on. And then last but not least, we do have Isabelle, which is such a pretty art kit. This art came out this past week, and I knew I wanted to use it, and I knew I wanted to do something fun with it. So this is the kit. It's just like a really basic kind of anytime planner girl kit. And I had saw a comment on Facebook, on my Facebook group, that said that they wanted a Animal Crossing kit, and I really wanted one too. I got on the Animal Crossing game like obviously way late. So I did call this Isabelle, like Isabelle, and then the little extra for both the mini and the ultimate is a little girl here playing the light, and then you have the Switch with all of the like Animal Crossing goodies, so you could totally like mix this in and make it a very like, you know, just like a little bit of Animal Crossing / gamer in there, but otherwise it's just kind of like a planner girl at home. Could be like work from home also. I just think the colors are really pretty. Here are your extra boxes. I'm just like, these are fun. So you have like a purple, a peach, a gray, and a green. And then you have a bunch of deco, which is all very functional if you wanted to use it like outside of the kit. The functional page, half boxes, icons, the new little things page, and then the bottom washi is a Cheetah with a gradient. Super cute. And then again, you get 2 extra full boxes as this kit freebie. I'll go ahead and flip through the mini kit just in case you haven't seen the last couple of new releases, just so you guys can see, you know, the difference between the old format and the new format. It still does have obviously the full boxes, the deco page, the functional page, and then this is the new page that has the boxes, the fancy labels, and then the little things. bottom washi, and then you do get the same freebie, which is the full boxes. This is super cute. I feel like this is another kit also that you could use any foil with, which is awesome. I personally probably would do silver or gold. Actually, I probably would do gold or mixed metal. There are some add-on options. So you have the 15mm strip, which will look really pretty against the gradient cheetah. Then you have the glitter headers if you want to add that on, label sampler, and then also there are some more fashion girls if you want to add those on as well. And that, my friends, is everything for this week. I will be back also this week with videos. I just kind of got, I guess, lazy last week. I do have videos like pre-filmed, but I think I mentioned this in a haul. I don't know if the haul went up yet, where I just feel like I am getting like, not self-conscious, but I just feel like sometimes I'm just like, does anybody care about what I'm saying, like in hauls and stuff? So I don't know, I just got like a little bit weird, but I am going to be back with videos this week. Hopefully I'm going to kind of, I think, skip the plan with me's that I like haven't put up, and then just kind of put up last week's plan with me on Wednesday and just kind of fresh start it. I do have the other weeks like filmed with a voiceover, but I don't know if anybody like actually wants that. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys still want to see those, or you just want me to skip into the current week. So let me know that in the comments down below, but all of these items will be listed Wednesday at noon Eastern. We do have unlimited stock on the new release sticker kits for the first 48 hours. This will be on special pricing for 48 hours, but it's still going to be like discounted both ways. And then these will also be on a discount just because I'm not like 100% happy with them, but I still use them in my planner because I think they look really, really good. But that is everything for this week. I hope that you guys like this week's new releases, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.